So this is Dr. Indrajit Bhattacharya. I'm the director at the National Accreditation Board for Education and Training, Quality Council of India. So we are into the space of third-party assessments and accreditation. And I got this opportunity to visit the Madhav Institute of Technology and Science in last 2 days to conduct the academic audit along with Dr. Shiva Prakash from Indian Institute of Science. It has been an excellent experience in these last 2 days, wherein I deep dived into the activities, academic activities which are going on in the various streams of MITS. I got this opportunity to interact with the senior leadership, right from Dr. Pandit to the top deans of the institute, and went through this exercise for in all the streams and saw that they are extremely dedicated faculty and leadership, and it got me a reflection of what is happening right from the patents, the publications, the various forums that they have been engaging in. And my complete perception of this institute has changed after visiting the institute and seeing the academic culture and the rigor that goes into the entire academic journey. So I wish all the best, and I'm sure that this institute will reach much greater heights in the coming days, because they are in the right direction and the right focus, and they are doing the right steps, taking the right steps to take this institute to greater heights. All the best to the institute. Thank you very much.